Ooh boy, check this out. In the last 20 hours, we have had nothing but mad follows, comments, follows, comments. I believe we got probably close to maybe 100 new followers on our Instagram. And this is all literally from today, guys. One day, one post blew up. I just want to say thank you for all of your support. I appreciate you guys. It's this one post really blew up. Got 123 likes on Instagram, 18 comments, 20 shares, guys. 20 shares. So I really appreciate you guys. Shoot, I believe that's what is that? Maybe we're at 467 followers. And let me go to the video. 3,172 views in 24 hours or less. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys that follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate you guys' support. And let's get back to the show. All right, ain't this some shit, man? I like to record with my GoPro Black Hero 7. I got this when it was brand new and it first came out. It was like $300 for this. I usually put it on this handheld here where I could put it in a tripod too. And I was like, you know what I want to do is I got a mic because the quality is not that good for sound. So I got this mic here and you could plug it in, you know, to an iPhone or to a C charger. Got two mics that are legit awesome to use. I've used them for my phone before. You just sync them up, you turn them on, and these little guys are fantastic, but they don't fit in here. I can't take this door off to actually put this giant thing in. The door blocks it. The little door blocks it. So I guess we'll just have to stick with either the phone and good audio or with the GoPro and have good picture quality. So you decide, better picture quality or better audio quality. Let me know. Also, you know what sucks about recording on an iPhone? I have to use iMovie to record my videos, or I have to basically upload them to the computer through a cord or through like Google Drive, and that takes more time than I want. And I used iMovie one time to record a video and it came out all messed up. The audio was messed up. One of my actual scenes, one of my video clips was upside down. It was horrible. I spent so much time trying to fix it and go back in and fix it and re-edit it. And sometimes I don't have enough space on here. So I'd rather just use my GoPro and then edit on my computer. But neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and get into the rest of the video. And today is Saturday, so there's no trading, but that doesn't mean we still can't prepare ourselves for tomorrow, which is Sunday, and then Sunday will prepare us for Monday morning and for the week of trading. Check it out, guys. We were up $190 last week, so not bad for our trading day. Not bad at all. Almost $200 for the week. You times that by 4, that's $800 for the month. It's not crazy money, but it's something, right? And that's if you just average it out that way, right? Now, we did take an L. We talked about that in the last video. Go watch that video if you haven't already. But taking a $50 loss, but making $190, not bad overall, right? So making gains in the market. And we're making gains on our Johnny Trades networks. I want you guys to see this. Right now I'm tracking Facebook private group, Facebook page, YouTube channel, Discord for our Learn to Earn team, my Instagram main for Johnny Trades, and Instagram for the Investing for Beginners community. That's what these two are. Look at the numbers. The numbers don't lie. It is now August, and we're currently sitting at 70,541 members in our private group on Facebook. We have 4,297 members on our Facebook page. YouTube, we have 7,697 YouTube subscribers, 791 Discord members, 467 Instagram followers on Johnny Trades, and 260 on the Investing for Beginners. So total, we have 84,053 members in our circle, in my networking circle, and that is just amazing. So we're growing. The goal is to hit 100,000 total. You can see the numbers right there, 100,000 total, and that is going to be our game plan. But I gotta tell you, can't get there if I don't put in the work. And that's my next point, right? We got to, stop complaining when we don't see the results that we want right away, right? How many times have you complained or you gave up on something because you didn't see the results after doing something once or twice? Heck, even 10 or 20 times. You can't expect you can't expect the same results as someone who's done it 100 times or even 1,000 times. So stop complaining, stop comparing yourself to others, and don't give up. The best thing you can do is show up, take action, put in the work to get the results that you want eventually. But the only way you're going to do it is if you do it. That's it. Consistency. And another thing to remember, hard work beats talent when talent don't work. Easy, right? Put in the work, don't give up, and you're going to start seeing the results that you want. So this month of August, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm putting in the work, I'm taking action, I'm being consistent with everything I do. I can even pull up my notes on here that I have that talk about just that. These are all my to-do list on a daily basis. These are all the things that I need to do in the month of August to be consistent and to start seeing the results that I want. I even got my goals down here. Simple goals. Have goals, have daily action plans, have daily habits so you can reach those goals. Don't just wake up and be like, oh, I don't know, maybe I do this or maybe I do that. No, have a to-do list already prepared the night before, and then the next day you take action. You start doing the things you need to do to have the life that you want to achieve, to have the things that you want to have. It's the only way you're going to get there. That's the only way you're going to do it. Final thought, if you want to work with me one-on-one, you want to join my free trading community, click the first link in the description to join our Discord and follow me on Instagram. And here's our Discord right here. We got a bunch of new members in here. Kobe, Mitos, Marcel, Bucko, RJ. Welcome to the team, guys. I show you guys announcements. I give you guys trade ideas, as well as when I'm buying and selling, and live day trading sessions. I give you 2 years worth right now of live day trading session backlogs that you can go back and watch. Plus, you can watch me trade live every single morning moving forward at market open. So definitely join the Discord, first link in the description. 100% free lifetime access for the first 1,000 members, and we're about to cross over 800 members, so there's 200 free spots left. Get in now, you'll never be charged.